Tell me if this sounds familiar. There is no major crisis in your life right now. You are not sick. You didn't run a marathon, and on paper, everything seems completely fine. Yet, by the end of the day, or worse, the very moment your eyes open in the morning, your entire body feels strangely heavy. Not physically sore from a workout, but mentally and emotionally completely drained. You sit down on your couch hoping to recharge, but your mind continues to race with endless thoughts. Here is the unsettling truth. You are not lazy. You are not weak. And you are definitely not broken. Your energy is not simply disappearing into thin air. It is being quietly and constantly drained by invisible micro-habits, modern digital pressures, and cognitive overload that you were never taught to notice or manage. Welcome to DIY Home Lifestyle. I've turned our full blog guide from www.diyhomelifestyle.com into this complete video tutorial for you today. In this video, we are diving deep into the 9 hidden causes why everyday modern life feels so exhausting. And we will explore the practical, gentle shifts that will help you reclaim your energy and find genuine peace. Let us start with the single biggest silent energy drain: the invisible mental load. Think of your brain like a computer with limited memory. When you go through your daily routine, you are rarely just doing the physical task right in front of you. In the background, your mind is running dozens of heavy, unclosed tabs. You are silently asking yourself, what am I going to cook for dinner? Did I remember to reply to that important email? When is that upcoming bill due? Why did someone respond so abruptly during that meeting? Did I turn off the appliance before leaving the house? Individually, none of these small thoughts feel heavy on their own, but collectively, they hum in the background every single waking minute. Because of this, you can complete all your work, finish your household chores, sit down in a quiet room, and still feel utterly worn out. The reason is simple. Your mind literally never stopped running for even 1 second. Next, consider the overwhelming burden of decision fatigue. Research shows that the average adult makes roughly 35,000 decisions every single day. We tend to believe that decision fatigue only happens to high-level executives making massive corporate choices. But your brain treats every single micro-choice as real biological effort. From the moment you wake up, you are deciding what to wear, what route has the least traffic, which notification deserves attention, what message to answer first, what to buy at the grocery store, and what content to watch next. By late afternoon, your brain's decision-making battery is completely drained. That is why you suddenly feel frustrated or overwhelmed when someone asks a harmless question like, "What do you feel like eating tonight?" It is not an attitude problem. It is mental depletion screaming for relief. Then we have the relentless trap of constant digital availability. Modern smartphones and connectivity promise us convenience, but they quietly eliminated true psychological detachment. With instant messaging, work notifications, social updates, and the unspoken expectation to be constantly reachable, your nervous system remains stuck in a state of perpetual, low-grade alertness. Even when your phone is sitting face down on the table, part of your attention remains tethered to the possibility of an interruption. You are never in a state of full panic, but you're also never in a state of deep, restorative rest. Over weeks and months, this silent vigilance burns through your vitality, leaving you with a lingering, hollow exhaustion. This leads directly into the widespread myth of fake rest. Lying down on the bed or sitting on the couch does not automatically mean you are resting. When you spend your downtime scrolling through short videos, reading comment sections, checking the news, or consuming background podcasts, your physical body may be stationary, but your brain is working in overdrive. It is constantly processing dopamine spikes, visual changes, and emotional triggers every few seconds. True rest requires cognitive stillness, a feeling of safety and sensory quiet. When your downtime fails to restore you, the days start bleeding into one another, and you wake up feeling as though you never slept at all. We also cannot ignore the impact of our home environment. A living space does not need to be visibly messy or dirty to feel mentally draining. Harsh overhead lighting, visual clutter scattered across flat surfaces, background street noise, and the absence of a dedicated, peaceful relaxation zone all keep your nervous system mildly stimulated. When your surrounding space does not actively invite calm, your mind never receives a signal that it is safe to truly let go and recharge. Another heavy burden is emotional suppression. From an early age, we are taught to keep our emotions in check and maintain composure. You swallow your frustrations, hold back your stress, keep a polite smile, and keep pushing forward despite feeling overwhelmed. Suppressing emotional energy takes tremendous biological effort. Unprocessed emotions do not simply disappear. They linger quietly in your nervous system as physical tension and fatigue, leaving you exhausted without a clear, identifiable cause. Finally, we struggle against the relentless grip of productivity guilt. In our fast-paced culture, there is a persistent internal voice asking whether every single minute is being used productively. When you sit down to relax, you feel guilty for not cleaning, working, learning, or organizing. When rest is constantly measured against productivity, true relaxation becomes impossible. So, how do we begin to heal this daily exhaustion? You do not need to quit your job or adopt an impossible lifestyle overhaul. Real transformation comes from small, intentional boundaries. First, implement a daily brain dump. Spend 2 minutes every evening writing down every lingering thought, task, and worry onto a piece of paper. This simple act signals to your brain that it is safe to close those mental tabs for the night. Second, establish a digital sunset. Commit to putting away all screens 30 to 45 minutes before going to sleep. This gives your nervous system the quiet window it needs to naturally slow down. Third, design a calm sanctuary in your home. Create a small corner with warm, soft lighting and minimal visual distractions dedicated purely to relaxation and quiet reflection. Fourth, embrace unapologetic rest. Give yourself permission to spend 10 minutes every day doing absolutely nothing, completely free from the need to produce, scroll, or justify your time. Remember, feeling exhausted in today's world is not a personal failure. It is simply your body and mind telling you that it is time to slow down, breathe, and protect your energy. For more creative home decor ideas, gardening tips, and smart lifestyle guides, don't forget to visit our official website at www.diyhomelifestyle.com. The direct link is right in the description box below. If this video resonated with your everyday experience, drop a comment below and let us know which hidden cause surprised you the most. If you found comfort and practical value here, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member who might need this reminder today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and activate the bell notification icon so you never miss our upcoming guides on simple living, mindfulness, and intentional lifestyle design. Thank you so much for watching. Take a deep breath and have a truly restful day. See you in the next video.